RGTI was trending at some point today, the 24th of November 2025, up 7.48%. Quite a volatile stock and quite a high beta stock as well. Okay, we have noticed that some insiders have been trading stocks. The stock has been contracting the expansion that began as of early to mid September. Yeah, it has continued to contract that expansion, but since Friday the 21st, it has been printing higher prices modestly now so far. Yeah, it seems it may have printed a bottom. Okay, projections are not saying anything to the upside. It's actually saying that the contraction may remain in place up till the 10th of December. Then maybe it might attempt to, print what looks like a bold bounce. Yeah, it may attempt to do that. So we could say that it is trying to plot a cycle, but rather we can probably say that we are noticing a pattern, or a pattern that looks like a cycle. So it has printed half of that cycle, if you like. Yeah. So this might be this here, or here might be the end of half of that cycle. Maybe then the other half maybe resuming, or may begin from the 11th of December. Okay, but I can exactly say surely that that's what will be the case. Projections are currently saying 20.51, 11.34, 5.67. Okay, previous projections were saying 53.62. This was as of the 7th of November. Okay, the probability of it retesting 33.40 is, let's see now, yeah, very high. But it's also, when it's high, that it may not print anytime soon. 37.45 is also very high as well. What of this? What of 44.30? Not very high, not high at all, not high. So yes, 33.25 very high. 34.34 equally very high as well. 37.45 equally high as well. Probabilities of it, printing prices that will probably take it close to its 40-day moving average. They look very high. That moving average is at 37.29, not very high. That it might retest it as things stand right now. So extrapolation of its momentum is saying that momentum is going to begin from now. It has been, as a matter of fact, it's been in place since Monday the 17th last week. So that momentum, that trend on its momentum is expected to remain in place at least up till the 5th of January. Okay, we'll see how it goes. We'll see. Let's have a look at its 4-hour chart and see what we have there. Okay, yeah, nothing to the upside. More of downward. More of the contraction is expected to keep playing out, and the 40 period moving average is expected to serve as a possible resistance. But we'll see. There's no guarantee that this will be the case at all. It only takes one good news, and then everything will change. Nothing to the upside in terms of projections. But previous projections were saying 35.11, 36.83, 34.96, 31.92. Yeah. So the stock was trending at some point. We haven't seen any news. It just briefly trended. Okay, so let's see what we have. Nothing, no intraday. Intraday low, yes, on Friday, $21. It's actually from that low that is bouncing now. Yeah, are they discovering prices here? Yes, they are discovering prices, and it's quite liquid. Quite not fantastically liquid, but I think, yeah, quite liquid. Yeah, people are discovering prices. We saw earlier on, it hasn't. It's not really a big day for the stock. Not a big day so far. It may or may not be. Not a big day. It may not get to 92 million. Yeah, as things stand right now, we have roughly 2 hours before the end of this trading session. So have a look and see what you make of RGTI. And thank you very much for watching this video.